If you're looking for a solar company, you live in Bucks County, Montgomery County, the surrounding areas reaching over through New Jersey, Philadelphia, I am here to really look into the benefits of solar. I'm on a typical farm here in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. I'm here with Ed, the homeowner, that has decided to embrace the concept of solar.
Farmers are stewards of the land, and it's also an environmental issue too. What it can do for you and how it does it.
This is a family farm, so you're looking for the long-term gift that you can give to your kids, right?
Absolutely. Our house will be passed along to our daughter, who will appreciate the panels, because it's going to pay for pretty much of the electric bill.
They're huge on education, and they will take the time to educate you regardless of what you decide to do. It's not this high-pressure sales. It's the company that really cares.
If you want to produce more than you need, then they'll calculate that in there. They did it all for us.
If you're looking for a solar company and you're looking for someone you can trust, Daystar Solar will take the time to educate you. I want to thank you and your family for taking the time today.
One thing I want to add is Daystar always wants to make their customers happy. They strive to make you happy.